Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have a really fun card using my color combos for Tuesday. Using this, I have the stamp set Open Bloom, using 4 colors of Altenew inks. I have pre-cut my die cut from Winnie and Walter. Because this is a new stamp set for me, I am going to rub it with mono sand eraser. And the reason for this is I want the color to really grasp onto my background. And it is especially important to do this when you have a background stamp. I'm going to do the bottom part using the Iris Purple from Altenew. And I am doing this on my Misty because I wanted to have the option of stamping this twice if I needed to, just in case the image wasn't clear. I'm going to move on to the Coral Berry. And I really like how those colors blend into an ombre without really needing to blend it in physically. Next, using Orange Cream. And last but not least, Warm Sunshine on the top. Go ahead and trim the extra panels of that. Once that's trimmed up, I'm going to place some foam adhesive onto the back and placing that onto my card base. Really like the race look of this. Again, I have pre-die cut the happy, and this could be any die cut word, but I really want to use happy because I want to be able to stamp birthday or anniversary in the inside of the card. Going to be using some pen adhesive onto it and placing that directly over my stamped image. Thank you so much for joining me for another Color Combos with Crystal. I really hope you stick around next Tuesday for another of these cards. Thanks so much. Have a great day.